Hello everyone! Scientists at Hanyang University in Seoul, South Korea, have developed a groundbreaking swarm of microrobots that mimic the collaborative behavior of ants. These miniature robots, each measuring a mere 600 micrometers in height, are designed to work together, much like a colony of insects, to accomplish tasks that would be impossible for individual robots. The inspiration for this innovative technology comes directly from nature, specifically the remarkable teamwork exhibited by ant colonies. Just as ants collectively transport heavy objects and navigate complex environments, these microrobots are designed to leverage the power of collective action. Each robot is meticulously crafted from epoxy, a durable resin, and embedded with ferromagnetic particles. This composition allows the robots to respond precisely to external magnetic fields, enabling precise control over their movements. By manipulating a rotating magnetic field, researchers can guide the robots, directing their collective efforts towards specific goals. The potential applications of these ant-sized robots are vast and far-reaching. In the realm of medicine, they could revolutionize minimally invasive procedures. Imagine swarms of these robots navigating the intricate network of human blood vessels to clear blockages, deliver targeted drug therapies, or perform delicate surgical tasks with unprecedented precision. Beyond medical applications, these microrobots hold immense promise for environmental remediation. They could be deployed to clean up hazardous spills, monitor environmental conditions in remote or inaccessible locations, and even assist in the repair of damaged infrastructure. Furthermore, these collaborative robots could transform the manufacturing and construction industries. Their ability to work in confined spaces and assemble complex structures with unparalleled precision could revolutionize the production of intricate components and the construction of intricate structures. The development of these ant-sized robots represents a significant leap forward in the field of microrobotics. It demonstrates the immense potential of bio-inspired engineering and the transformative power of collective intelligence, even at the microscopic scale. As research in this field progresses, we can anticipate a future where swarms of these miniature robots play a critical role in addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity, from healthcare to environmental sustainability. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.